clap. Early in the morning, sun peeks through the sky. On the happy farm, hear a friendly hi.
Rolling down the pathway, shiny as can be, a bright red tractor waving just at me.
Turn the wheel,
Hear the engine hum, climb aboard, here we come.
red tractor fun, let's ride today. Chug, chug, chug along the hay. Round the farm, big and wide, come explore on a tractor ride. Red tractor fun, shout hooray! Learning and laughing all the way. Passing by the barn where the cows go moo,
Sheep say ba,
and the ducks say quack, quack too.
carrots in the garden, apples on the tree.
Red tractor helps with every little thing we see. Lift it up, put it down, roll the wheels all around. Red tractor fun, let's ride today. Chug, chug, chug along the hay. Round the farm, big and wide, come explore on a tractor ride. Red tractor fun, shout hooray! Learning and laughing all the way. Count the wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wave hello as we pass each door.
Slow and steady, strong and kind, best farm friend you'll ever find.
Helping farmers Sam from day to night.
Planting seeds and holding tight.
When the work is done and the sun goes low,
Red tractor smiles and moves real slow. Red tractor fun, what a day. Thank you for helping in every way. On the farm where dreams can grow, let's ride again.
ready, set,